Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olly, rebranded, and I do videos about entrepreneurship, personal development, and business. So today I have my laptop out, and if you've read the title of this video, I want to do a video on tools that every entrepreneur needs at the beginning of their business. So I'm going to mention 4 tools, and I'm going to briefly show you how to use these tools. These tools are important to me because I have used them in my business and they have really helped me in so many ways. My first tool is a tool known as Canva. So in case you don't know what Canva is basically an online graphic design platform. You DIY your own posters, your own banners, your own resume, your own everything. I use it for my Instagram posts. If I want to make an announcement, if I want a poster, if it's Valentine's, I use it for any design thing. I made my PDF guide with Canva. This is how it looks. I literally went to Canva, went to A4 and started designing my PDF. You can export it as an image, export it as a PDF, and then just send it out to your subscribers or friends or anyone who wants to read about it. So I'm going to show you guys simple tricks and tips I've used to make posters on my Canva. So in a bit you're going to be on my screen. Let's go to my screen and let me show you how I use Canva in my marketing strategy. And you just go to Google and put this address that I'm currently highlighting for you guys, www.canva.com. If you go to the far left, you can see that I already have an account, Olly. You can add a picture. I decided not to, but you guys, Canva is like a lifesaver. Can you see everything that you can make? Like, look at the design place. There's ID card, newsletter, calendar, postcard, label, announcement, gift card, gift certificate, tag, ticket, schedule, bookmark, coupon, report. Like, you guys, there's so much. Look at all this. So they're separated with social media. So if it's Facebook video, Instagram post, Facebook cover, documents, things like A4 documents, presentations, reports, personal like cards, birthday cards, recipe cards, and all that, education, lesson plan, report card, bookmark, marketing, logo, poster, flyer, events, ads, and so forth. So we're going to go to the far left, create a design, and then we're going to say Instagram post because we intend to use it on Instagram. Facebook can also take the dimensions of Instagram, so I would rather stick with Instagram dimensions because I feel like they're way neutral as compared to Facebook. They will crop out my Instagram. So on my far left, you guys can see I have a lot of templates. There's love, there's food, there's sale, there's Halloween. With them, let's search farm. Okay, this looks like food-ish. Let's search meat. So you keep searching the templates until you find something that works with you. Okay, meat clearly doesn't search. Let me search yellow because the urine is yellowish, so I want one that's like yellowish. Then maybe I can manipulate it to the way I want. Let's try this one. So I've clicked on the template and it's come up here. As you guys can see, I don't intend to keep this word, so you just click on there and you edit it out. Rabbit fertilizer. Wow, Olly, wow. Giveaway. And I'm going to just drag and drop to my Canva uploads, and as you guys can see, it's downloading. So what I'm going to do is check this beer. You just click it and click delete. Here's my logo. So we can take my logo and squeeze it. Oops, I moved the wrong item. Put it like there. you know, we gotta brand everything, guys. And boom, there is, okay, this is very simple, but I hope you get the drift. Instead of the whole background at the end being like flowery, I can decide to delete the picture. Maybe this one. Ooh, guys, we found the thing. And we can change the color of this. Oh, yes, let's make it black. I think I just want everything black. Yeah. Or the frame, which is this whole round thing, which I can also delete. Again, there is locking. Locking comes when you don't want something to move. So if I don't want this decoration to keep moving as I'm editing, I just lock it. And despite how much I would try, I can only move this, but I really can't move this other one because I've locked it. You get what I mean? But if I also lock the picture, then I also can't lock the picture. You get what I mean? I can't move the picture. So yeah, if you want this tab to come up, you have to click anything on the editing post, and then it's going to come from spacing, underline, pretty much easy stuff. Transparency also, depending on, you see, how much transparent you want the words to be, if they want them to be faded, deep colored. Again, simple stuff. And that is how you use Canva. I hope you guys enjoyed my short tutorial. I don't think it's short, but I hope you guys enjoyed my short tutorial. So yeah. As you're following on this video, I'm showing you the 4 things that I'm really in love with, and one of them is WeTransfer.com. So WeTransfer.com, like I said, is just a place you can transfer files. As you guys can see on the screen, there is free and there is pro. You can really send up to 20 GB, store up to 1 terabyte, protect your files and all that. But free, where Olive is, yay, you can send up to 2 GB, customize your backgrounds, keep transfers for longer, and protect your transfers. So I love WeTransfer because I'm able to share files between my phone and my laptop. So if you guys have just seen that I've just finished with Canva, my pictures are ready, and I don't want to alter the quality of this picture. As you guys can see, the quality is really good, and I know if I send it on my WhatsApp web, it's going to reduce the quality. I'll just right click both, or rather not right click, but click on both, drop them, drag and drop to WeTransfer, drop it like it's hot, and as soon as I drop them, you guys can see it's just told me you've added 2 files. I would add the email I want to send them to, which is pretty much my email. I'll put a message, rabbit urine giveaway, and I'll click transfer, and immediately it's going to start transferring these particular pictures to my phone. So you're going to get a notification on your email. And as you guys can see, I've received an email saying we have received your WeTransfer files. Download them. I want to show you guys the app. This is the app right here. It's WeCollect, and WeCollect is a branch of WeTransfer. So what happens, you can be able to save the things you've transferred on this particular app on your phone, and you can arrange them according to what each file or picture or image is about. I'll go to my email and I'll click on the email. It's telling me download link. I'll click on the link, and as you guys can see, it's taken me automatically to WeCollect, and here it is, my pictures, rabbit urine giveaway, and I'll click save items. So I'm going to wait for the items to be saved, and boom, 100% is ready. Move items to a board. I say yes. Move them to Yummy Rabbit. So you can open boards for different things. I have a board for Olly branded, Yummy Rabbit. I had a board for Tesoroli, personal pictures with my partner, so many things and so forth. So if you come to my boards, as you guys can see, when I click Yummy Rabbit, click on this box down here, and then you say save image, and the image is automatically saved to your photos. So if I go to my photos tab, immediately my picture is there. Good quality, looks nice, and I am happy. So that is pretty much how I use WeTransfer in my business, both for ONR, for Yummy Rabbits. It comes through for me so heavy because I want to maintain the quality from my laptop to my phone. So that is WeTransfer, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy and actually use it as well.